Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 22C from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 1, find AD. Now there are two subparts of this question. Okay, first we'll solve the first part and then we'll come to the second subpart. Now, this is the figure given and we have to find AD. AD, length of AD find करना है, ठीक है? Now AD you cannot find directly. So what you will do? AE and ED separately find karo and then add it. Okay, so ED I can easily find because if you observe carefully, BCDE, it is a rectangle. From the figure you can easily say this is a rectangle. So BCDE is a rectangle, so therefore I can say opposite sides are equal. So BC is equal to ED, correct, and BE is equal to CD. So I'll draw this separately. BCDE is a rectangle. So this is 20, तो ये भी 20 हो जाएगा. Opposite sides are equal. This is 5, तो ये भी 5 हो जाएगा. Correct. So a part of this I can easily find using the property of rectangle. Now to find AE, we'll consider this right angle triangle AEB. Okay. Now AEB, where this is 32 degrees. Now AE find करना है. For that we need one side. Any one side of the triangle we need to know to find one of the sides. Okay. So BE I can easily find. BE is equal to CD. BE is a part of rectangle. So this is 20. Now I have sufficient information. So from the rectangle we can find ED and BE both. Okay. BE will be useful to find AE. Alright. So BE is 20. Now angle का opposite find करना है and angle का adjacent we know. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? You get it from tan. Okay. So tan of the angle gives opposite upon adjacent. So it's very easy. Tan 32 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. This we know. This you will get from the table, natural tangents ka table. So just multiply and you will get the value of AE. So ED rectangle से मिल जाएगा, AE triangle से मिल जाएगा. Once you get the values, just add and you will get the value of AD. Okay, so now let us start solving. First write down all the given information. Okay. Now given में we know angle ABE. Then we know that BC is 5 meters. CD is 20 meters. Okay, and angle AEB is 90 degrees. So this is important information because this is required. So you can apply trigonometric ratio only to right angle triangle. Okay. Now first we'll consider this rectangle. Okay. So starting with the solution, before that write down to find part. To find में AD find करना है. So first we'll consider the rectangle. So we'll write down quadrilateral BCDE is a rectangle. Just write down the reason over here from figure. ठीक है? Now since this is a rectangle, I can say opposite sides are equal. So BC is equal to ED. Opposite sides equal है and BE is equal to CD. Okay, BE is equal to CD. Write down opposite sides of rectangle are equal or congruent. Now we know that BC is 5 meters. Okay, and BE is equal to CD. So BE is equal to CD is 20 meters. Okay. So just write down since BC is equal to 5 meters and CD is equal to 20 meters. ठीक है. Now we have this information. Alright. Now over here ED मिल गया. Okay. ED का value मिल गया. Now we need to find AE. For AE, we'll consider this right angle triangle. Okay. So now we'll consider this triangle. In triangle AED, angle AB AB, angle ABE is equal to 32 degrees. Okay, and BE is equal to 20 meters. Okay, now tan 32 we'll take. Why tan? एंगल का ऑपोजिट फाइंड करना है, एडजेसेंट पता है, ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम tan वाला ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. ओके, सो का टोवा यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस. सो वंस यू नो दिस it becomes easy. Now tan 32 is equal to opposite, that is AE, upon adjacent, that is BE. tan 32 का value you will get from natural tangents का table. Okay, you should know how to read natural tangents का table, natural sine, cosine, tan. Now BE is 20. Let us see the value of tan 32. So this is 0.6249. Okay, shifting 20 on the other side, so 20 into 0.6249 is equal to AE. Let's multiply and see what is the answer. So 0.6249 into 20 here. So what we'll do, 6249, forget decimal point for now. 6249 into 20 here. Into 2 करो, we'll put 0 later. ठीक है, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and there's a 0. Okay, now there is a decimal point after 4 digits from right, so 4 digits from right, put a decimal point, so we are getting 12.4980. Okay, now AE is equal to this, so we found the value of AE. Now AD find करना है, so AD is equal to AE plus ED. AE is 12.4980 plus ED is 5. So 12 plus 5 17 हो जाएगा, 0.4980. Okay, now what we'll do is round it off to 2 decimal place. So यहाँ पे 0 है, so nothing you will add to the previous digit. यहाँ पे 8 है, so this is a bigger number, greater than 5 है, so we'll add 1. So when you add 1, ये क्या हो जाएगा, 9 10 हो जाएगा, 1 carry, so 4 plus 1 5 हो जाएगा, so 17.5. okay, so 17.5 meters, don't forget to put correct unit. So AD is approximately equal to 17.5 meters. Alright, 17.498 is nothing but 17.5. It is closer to 17.5. ठीक है, so box the answer, don't forget to put correct unit. Coming to second part of the question. Now again we have to find AD, but the figure is different over here. Now AD is a side of triangle ADB, right angle triangle. So let us see if we can use trigonometric ratio and find AD. So ADB, okay, this is 30. Now we know this is right angle. Do we know any other angle? No, we don't know angle A or angle B over here. We just know that AB is 30 meters. Now apart from 90 degrees, we need to know one more angle of the triangle to use trigonometric ratio. We need to know one angle and one side. Okay, we know one side. Do we know the angle? No. Apart from 90, you are supposed to know one of the angles. We don't know. So we need to find AD, we need to find that angle. Now we can easily find ABD. How? ABD वो find करने के लिए we are going to consider triangle ABC. Okay, so ABC. Okay, now this angle we'll use. The angle given to us will be useful to find angle ABD. Okay, so जो angle दिया हुआ है उस पे focus करो, how that will help us in finding angle ABD. Okay, now this side is extended, so this is a triangle, this side is extended up to point D, and this is 48 degrees. This is exterior angle of the triangle. So this is exterior angle. We know exterior angle is equal to neighboring छोड़ के the remaining two interior angles, interior opposite angles का sum is equal to the exterior angle. That is angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle property you are supposed to know. Now there is one more method of finding. I'll show you that method as well. That is lengthy method but easier method. दिस यू आर सपोज टू नो एक्सटीरियर एंगल का प्रॉपर्टी, ठीक है. सो if you consider this triangle, BC and AC are equal, so angles opposite to these sides are equal. So AC का opposite angle angle ABC and BC का opposite angle angle BAC, both are equal. So these two angles are equal. So basically these two interior opposite angles are equal. So x plus x, let's say this is x, this is x, so x plus x is equal to exterior angle, that is 48 degrees. So 2x is equal to 48, that is x is equal to 24. Okay, so ABC is nothing but ABD, so ये easily मिल जाएगा using exterior angle property. Now if you, in case you don't know exterior angle property, you forgot, so what you will do, there is one more method. What you can do is linear pair का property use करो. ACB एंड ACD, ये फिगर में देखो, दे आर फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर. सो ये एंगल हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 48. 180 माइनस 48 इज 132. सो वंस यू गेट दिस एंगल ACB, कंसिडर दिस आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. अगेन सेम थिंग, इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल एंड इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल आर इक्वल. सो लेट दीज टू एंगल्स बी x. So x plus 132 is equal to 180. Sum of all angles of triangles is 180 degrees. So you can use this property. So पहले linear pair से find this. Once you get the angle of the triangle, you can easily find the remaining two angles. Okay. So 2x plus 132 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 132, 48 हो जाएगा. So x is 24. Okay. So whichever method you find easy, you can use that. So once you get the angle, it's easy to find AD. Okay. Now which trigonometric ratio to use? Angle का opposite side find करना है. This is opposite. Which side is given to us? We are given the hypotenuse. We are not given the adjacent side. Okay. Hypotenuse दिया है. Right angle का opposite side. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. So opposite find करना है, hypotenuse is given. Opposite and hypotenuse का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? Opposite and hypotenuse come in sine. Okay, so you will take sine of the angle, that is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. This we know. This you will get from natural sine का table. Once you get, just multiply and you will get AD का value. Okay, so now let us start solving. Now write down the given and to find part for such questions. Okay, so I've already written down given and to find. Angle ADB 90 है, angle ACD is 48, AB is 30 meters and AC is equal to BC. Now we have to find AD. Now for AD we need to consider triangle ADB. उसके लिए angle ABD चाहिए. So angle ABD we'll find using exterior angle property. Okay, you can use linear pair and then the sum of all angles of triangles वाला property, but that is lengthy. So I'll be using exterior angle property. ABC is the triangle, ACD is the exterior angle. Okay. Now we know these two sides are equal. So first write down in triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. ठीक है. So therefore angles opposite to these two sides are equal. So AC का opposite angle angle ABC. And BC का opposite angle angle BAC. Okay, इसका opposite देखो, इसका opposite देखो. Now they are equal. Write down angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Now let angle ABC equal to angle BAC be equal to x degrees. Okay, we are assuming both the angles to be x. Now we know exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, neighboring, leave the neighboring, and the remaining two angles, okay, unka sum is equal to the exterior angle. So write down angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. Okay, ACD is 48. So it is equal to angle ABC is x, this is also x. So twice x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 24. Okay, now we are not interested in angle BAC, we are interested in angle ABC, that is angle ABD. Okay, so just write down, therefore angle ABC equal to x is equal to 24 degrees. Okay, ये 24 मिला, this is 24. Now we'll consider triangle ADB. Okay, so just write down ABC is nothing but ABD. ठीक है, so even if you don't write, it's understandable from the diagram. Now let us consider this right angle triangle. So ADB, एंगल का ऑपोजिट फाइंड करना है एंड हाइपोटेनस इज गिवन. ऑपोजिट एंड हाइपोटेनस विच रेशियो? सो साइन. सो इन ट्रायंगल ADB, angle ABD is 24 degrees, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, make sure you are using right angle triangle, only then you can apply trigonometric ratios. Also AB is equal to 30 meters. Now sine 24 is equal to opposite, that is AD, upon hypotenuse, that is AB. Sine 24 you will get from natural sine ka table. Okay, and AD we need to find. AB is 30. This is 0.4067. So 30 into 0.4067 is equal to AD. Okay, now multiply this. So 4067, forget the decimal point for now. ठीक है, now this into 30 into 3 करो, 0 पीछे लगा देना. 3 7s are 21, 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20, 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 2 हो जाएगा, and 4 3s are 12. So 12 1 2 2 0 1 0. Okay, now there is decimal point after 4 digits from the right, so 4 digits जाओ. Okay, now over here 12.2010 is the answer. All right, so therefore AD is equal to 12.201. okay, meters. So 0, there's no need to put 0, you can also put 0, it does not matter. So we found the value of AD, it is 12.201 meters. Okay, don't forget to put the correct unit.